In 2017, Mukanya spoke with authority and what appeared to be honor when he invoked the Constitution as commander of the defense forces, reminding Robert Mugabe and the G40 faction about Section 212. Many Zimbabweans believed they were witnessing a principled general ready to defend the nation. What we did not know was that this moment carried the silent blessing of Emmerson Mnangagwa, a transition that could ultimately betray both the constitution and the liberation ethos. Sarabina mashoko buda pangwa ine achonekwa kuti 2017 transition was very good and was very proper and yakanga iri necessary, but how it turned out being pangwa nenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa yorwadziwa ndoti subscribe like on the bell icon tiendera mberi nenhau aiwa yakirina mujati anoendera mberi anyora achiti what is most damning is that Chiwenga once bold against Mugabe has gone quiet in the face of Mnangagwa. All veterans are in prison, others have been discarded. Even those like Comrade Bombshell Geza, who apologized to the nation for elevating Mnangagwa, were denied dignity in death. The system has shown that loyalty means nothing and sacrifice is easily erased. The November 2017 coup has not benefited ordinary Zimbabweans. Instead, it has delivered economic collapse, deepened corruption, failing institutions, widespread poverty, and a nation where resources are looted while citizens suffer. The promises of change have turned into a harsher reality than before. Today, Chiwenga faces the consequences of the system he helped impose, and yet the contradictions are glaring. Chiwenga, you speak against excess, but your own households reflect the very decay you claim to oppose. Ndo mashoko anobuda achitobva para panakirina mujati aiwa achidirectora una VP Constantine Chiwenga kuti aiwa general mweya wakanga wakubata muna 2017 aiwa ngausimuke panguva ino resist idi 2030 nokuda kwokuti kuri kuno kunzi right now the nation yangotarisira kuna general kuti VP zvavakamboita ndovanotoziva kuti script racho vakarirana sei ngavauye vazviexecute tisitope aiwa nhau dziri kuonekwa kunzi hadzisi kudiwa nagara nyika yeZimbabwe. Nakomesa medu zvavafungura enyu matodi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.